How's it going, guys? I know I haven't made a video for a few days, so here I am. I just, well, I guess the reason I haven't made a video is that we've been trying to keep up with our sales on eBay with some stuff, specifically stuff for the, I guess, just coronavirus related. These are straps for face masks. They call them ear savers, and they basically just make it so that the straps on the respirators don't actually go over your ears for people who are wearing masks all day long. Anyway, so I got this other printer. This is one that I got on eBay. It's Monoprice brand, and it's called, I think it's the Monoprice Select Mini Pro, and I got it used. So it actually has a couple issues. It doesn't detect the micro SD, which is not too great. And then I have to, basically I just print from a laptop then. But so right now it's not currently running, but I'll make a video probably tomorrow or in the next few days about that. I like it so far. It has automatic leveling, so it's my first printer with that, which is very nice, except that that also doesn't work super well. So yeah, thanks anyway for watching the video. And I'll try to keep up a little bit more in the next couple days with 3D printer videos, blah, and also with the details of the house sale that we're doing. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.